120 words per minute. Get ready. Start. The Supreme Court on Wednesday concluded hearing in the politically sensitive case of Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid land dispute in Ayodhya and reserved the judgment stop para. The bench heard for 40 days the arguments of the Hindu and the Muslim sides stop para. A five-judge constitution bench, headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi, granted 3 days to contesting parties to file written notes on molding of relief or narrowing down the issues on which the court is required to adjudicate stop para. The other members of the bench are Justices S.A. Bobade, D.Y. Chandrachud, Ashok Bhushan and S.A. Nazir stop para. The protracted hearing in the Ayodhya dispute had entered the crucial final leg on October 14 when the apex court resumed proceedings on the 38th day after the week-long Dasahara break stop para. The Constitution Bench, which started the day-to-day proceedings on August 6 after mediation proceedings failed to find an amicable solution to the vexatious dispute, had revised the deadline for wrapping up the proceedings stop. 14 appeals have been filed in the apex court against the 2010 Allahabad High Court judgment, delivered in four civil suits, that the 2.77 acre land in Ayodhya partitioned equally among the three parties, the Sunni Waqf Board, the Nirmohi Akhada and Ram Lala Stop Para. Initially, as many as five lawsuits were filed in the lower court stop. The first one was filed by Gopal Singh Visarad, a devotee of Ram Lala, in 1950 to seek enforcement of the right to worship of Hindus at the disputed site stop para. In the same year, the Paramhans Ramchandra Das had also filed the lawsuit for continuation of worship and keeping the idols under the central dome of the now demolished disputed structure stop para. The plea was later withdrawn stop para. Later, the Nirmohi Akhara also moved the trial court in 1959 seeking management and inverted comma Sibati inverted comma close within bracket devotee rights over the 2.77 acre disputed land stop para. Then came the lawsuit of Uttar Pradesh Sunni Central Waqf Board, which moved the court in 1961, claiming title right over the disputed property stop para. The deity, inverted Ramlala Virajman, inverted close through next friend and farmer Allahabad High Court Judge Devki Nandan Agrawal, and the Janam Bhumi within bracket the birthplace bracket close moved the lawsuit in 1989, seeking title right over the entire disputed property on the key ground that the land itself has the character of the deity and of a inverted juristic entity inverted close stop para. Later, all the lawsuits were transferred to Allahabad High Court for adjudication following the demolition of the disputed Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid structure on December 6, 1992, sparking communal riots in the country. Stop para. Earlier, the bench had said it would wrap up the hearing by October 17, a day sooner than the earlier schedule. Stop para. Fixing the schedule for the final leg of the lengthy arguments, it had said that the Muslim side would complete the arguments on October 14 and thereafter, 2 days would be granted to the Hindu parties to sum up their rejoinders by October 16. Stop para. The judgment in the matter is to be pronounced by November 17, the day the Chief Justice of India will demit the office stop para. The apex court had on August 6th commenced day-to-day proceedings in the case as the mediation proceedings initiated to find the amicable resolution had failed stop para. It had taken note of the report of the three-member panel, comprising Justice FMI Khalifullah, spiritual guru and founder of the Art of Living Foundation Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, and senior advocate and renowned mediator Sri Ram Panchu, that mediation proceedings, which went on for about 4 months, did not result in any final settlement, and it had to decide the matter pending before it stopped.